Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to free up storage space on Android. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. Now let's start. So I will be showing you a few methods on how to free up storage space on Android. So first, go to your gallery, go to your photos or videos or audio or documents right here. But the main point is that you should delete some files right here. Deleting files and videos can definitely free up space on an Android device. So, large videos and photos, especially duplicates or old ones, you should delete that. Downloaded files, which are temporary files, old WhatsApp media, unused application should be deleted. Also, you can tap on this clean up. So, when you tap clean up here, it will free up space in your device settings. So Android scans your phone to find temporary junk files, large unused files, duplicate photos, unused apps, and blurry or poor quality images. So once done, then as you can see, if you're going to clean up this one, you will gain this huge space on your device. Another thing is that you can exit your gallery and then this time go to your settings, scroll down, go to App Management. Now tap on App List and then try to uninstall some applications here, especially if these applications are unused application. So when you uninstall an application, you're completely removing it from your device. This process clears out several types of data and files, which in turn free up storage space and helps improve your phone's performance. So all you have to do is to select that specific application right here and tap on the uninstall option. Aside from that, once you uninstall the application right here, benefits are frees valuable internal storage, reduces background activity, and improves system performance by reducing the load on your processor and RAM. So if you uninstall a 500 MB game, might actually free up over 1 GB once you include game data and cache, especially if you've been playing it regularly. So these are just a few ways and how to free up storage space on Android. You can just delete some files right here and also videos, pictures, documents that are no longer necessary or just temporary files. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.